It's time for Cooking with Finn. He's got the fire in the pit, outside or in the kitchen. Come along, Cooking with Finn.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Finn. Today we will be using our magic to create the Chamber of Broccoli salad. And this hat is all we will need. Oh, and the wand. Let's get started by introducing our ingredients. First, we have white vinegar, then sugar, good old mayonnaise, bacon, broccoli, lots and lots and lots and lots of broccoli, one onion, and lastly, golden raisins. Let's cast a spell on these ingredients and get cooking. Ah! The hat of Harry Potter has betrayed me! No, please! Spare me, please! Bad hat! Bad hat! Okay, oh god. Nothing to see here, folks. Take your bacon and evenly distribute it on your pan. Let's tap into our wizardry powers to speed things up. And yes, I'm still capable of the magic even without the hat. All right, onto the scalding chamber it goes. Turn up the heat and let them bubble and burn. Mwah ha 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 ha! Take not one, not two, but 3 broccoli bunches. Chop off the ends, start splitting, and place them into the cauldron. Hey, why can't Harry Potter tell the difference between his potion pot and his best friends? Because they're both called Ron. While the pig strips are still sizzling, take a whole onion, cut it in half, and peel those skins right off. But without crying. I wish there was a spell to stop these tears. Chop that onion up into tiny little pieces. Time to flip this bacon around. Just like that darn hat tried to do to me. Put 3 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise into a bowl. Did you know that mayo was created by the French chef of the Duc de Richelieu back in 1756? Add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, then sugar! Mix it all up, and then hope that a slimy mayo monster doesn't slither in out of you. You see, Harry Potter's jokes can slither into any conversation. Okay, I'll quit itch now. You can't stop me. Grab your bacon from the pan and cut it into tiny pieces. Load the broccoli, bacon, and onions into one big bowl. Now, add your golden raisins. Dear grapes, thank you for dedicating your lives to this beautiful broccoli salad. Add your sauce concoction right in and toss it all around. Wizard powers activate! Ladies and gentlemen, wizards and wizardresses, is that a word? I present you the Chamber of Broccoli Salad. Delectable. This has been Cooking with Finn. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone.
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much.